Michelle Sultan, Brand Ambassador and Creative Director for Imbue. Thanks for joining me on the Look Fantastic YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be talking about springing into spring and getting those curls ready for those warmer months, which right now feels so exciting. The fact that we can leave the house after spending the whole year at home, boy, I'm excited. Make sure you like and subscribe to the Look Fantastic YouTube channel and make sure you turn on those notification bells to stay up to date with all of the latest videos and news. Spring curls are my absolute favorite. They can be sassy, playful, wearable, but also effortless and just so cool. Many of us have been wearing our hair in protective styles for the last few winter months, so now it's time to unleash those curls and show off their true potential for the warmer months ahead.
I'm going to start by showing you one of my favourite curly hairstyles, the half up, half down, using the Curl Empowering Cream Gel. This style is definitely my go-to when my wash and go is on its way out. So I've taken a small amount of the cream gel and I've worked it into my hairline around the front section. This is going to make my hair much more pliable and easier to mould without making it feel too hard. I'm then using the end of the tail comb to part my hair right across my head from ear to ear. I don't worry too much about this being a perfectly straight line, as you're not really going to see the parting. You clip the hair away so it's out of the way, but make sure you don't disturb the ends of the hair too much. Holding the hair really firmly, take your ponytail holder, and I prefer to use this type because it doesn't snag or tug at my hair when I remove it. I go around about 3 or 4 times, making sure that it's really secure and giving it a little tug to secure, make sure that it's nice and tight. I then take a small section of hair and wrap it round the ponytail and secure with a bobby pin. This just hides the ponytail holder and really gives it that professional finish. Now I'm going to release those curls and give my hair a really good fluff, and now I'm going to work on defining those curls and just making sure they look great. I'm using the Curl Worshipping Shine Oil to define any areas that look a little bit too fluffy. This is going to add loads of shine and just make it look really lovely. Once I'm happy with the shape, I'm just going to show you how I use the Curl Empowering Cream Gel to lay down my edges. Now I like to use my fingers or a comb to create the shapes that I like. Now this is going to leave me with a really soft natural finish, and there we have it, ready to go. For my next look, side braids, I'm going to show you how I do a really simple method of twisting the hair to look like braids. Now I'm just sectioning off my hair. I've started from the top of my eyebrow to just behind my ear. Now divide this area into 3 separate sections using the tail comb. Again, try not to disturb the ends of the curls too much. Sectioning clips are going to be your best friend. Now using the Curl Empowering Cream Gel, work this into the root area and then twist the hair in 2 sections back onto themselves. This becomes a flat twist. Take your time and don't rush. Again, take your trusted sectioning clip and clip that area out of the way and then move on to the next section. Again, using the Curl Empowering Cream Gel, work that into the roots. Now this, like I said before, leaves your hair feeling really soft. It's giving your hair that moisture that it needs and makes it really pliable. Now here we have 3 sections that I've just clipped out of the way. I'm going to make sure they're all set. And then I'm going to begin by using a tiny elastic to secure each one at the root. When you're putting the elastics in, make sure they are ones that are suitable for curly hair. These are readily available on the market. When you're putting them in, make sure that you're not disturbing the ends of the hair. We want to keep these curls intact, so just take your time and put them in slowly. Twisting my hair to look like side braids is so simple. It's also one of my favourite ways of wearing my curly hair. If I'm going out during those warmer summer months, it keeps my curly hair off of my face. It also looks really cool. I like to wear this look to festivals, parties, or wherever it is I think I'm going. I'm going to show you how I finish off with some cute gold accessories for that extra glam vibe. I'm now just squeezing on these gold hair rings that I found in a local accessory shop. Just working these onto the hair. This is a really, really cute look. It can look really glam. The more the merrier for me, so I like to put on quite a lot of gold, and this just looks really, really cool. This style works really well on day 2, 3, 4 of your wash routine. I have previously washed my hair using the Imbue curl range. So here we are, and I'm just finishing off with some last beads. I've unleashed the curls, and now we're going to set them and make sure they look really gorgeous. I'm going to finish off with the Curl Worshipping Shine Oil. This is not going to kill the volume in my hair. It's just going to add lots of shine and make it so lovely. It also smells amazing. There we go. Now for the last but no means least spring curl looks, the ultimate favourite, the top knot. Now I'm starting off with the Curl Energizing Hydration Serum. This stuff is unbelievable. It literally hydrates and energizes your hair. I'm on day 3 of my wash day, so it's going to make my hair feel so lovely and so soft, so easy to manipulate and move around, and doesn't leave my hair feeling dry at all. You can see how easy it is for me to get my hair up into a really good top knot without it being too bumpy. So again, just using a ponytail holder, my favorite. I'm going to wrap this round at least 3, maybe 4 times. I'm going to give my hair a little tug and make sure that it's super secure. And then just work those curls up in a really cute knot. I take at least 1/4 of the section and wrap this round using bobby pins. I like to create quite an ad hoc shape, nothing that's too set. Now I'm going to use the Curl Empowering Cream Gel just to work on those little curls around the edges. I like to have quite soft curls around my face. The cream gel is full of moisture and makes it really easy to do finger coiling like what I'm doing here. Now once I'm happy with the shape of it, I'm going to show you how I use my hair accessory. Now this one is incredible. It actually has wire inside of the fabric. It makes it really easy to mold. So I'm just tying this around the back, leaving those front edges free. Just going to tie this into a knot, make it moldable, make a nice knot, make it quite dramatic. And then I'm going to finish off with the Curl Empowering Cream Gel yet again, just on the ends of my hair to define any loose curls, get rid of any frizz, and just keep it super cute. This for me is my ultimate spring curl look and my favourite way to wear my hair.
Thank you so much for watching my favourite spring curl style video on the Look Fantastic YouTube channel. Now, don't forget to like and subscribe, and also switch on your notification bells to stay up to date with all the latest news and videos.